everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to make this beautiful granny square. For making this beautiful granny square, we will use this 3mm hook, this acrylic yarn and a pair of scissors. So before get started, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. So here we will first make a slip knot in the yarn like this. Now we will do 5 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we will do a slip stitch at the first chain stitch like this. Now we will do chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and make a puff stitch. For making a puff stitch, we will wrap the yarn around the hook like this, then go through the hole like this and pull the yarn through the hole like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and pull the loop through all the loops, and we have finished our first puff stitch. Now we will do chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and again make another puff stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we will make again 3 chain and do another puff stitch. We will do total 8 puff stitch in the same hole. We will do total 8 puff stitch in the same hole, exactly like this. Chain 3 and 1 puff stitch. After finishing the total 8 puff stitch, we will come back. So here we have finished our puff stitch. Now we will make a slip knot at the top of the puff stitch and finish the row like this. Now we will make chain stitch 1, 2, 3 and again make a 3 chain stitch and make 2 puff stitch in this first chain 3 space, exactly like this. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we will do chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and again a puff stitch in the same chain 3 space. 3. Now so here we have done 2 puff stitch. Now we will do chain 2 and 4 double crochet in the next chain 3 space. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now chain 2, 1, 2, chain 2 and again 2 puff stitch, 1 puff stitch, chain 3 and 1 puff stitch. It will be our granny square corner. Second corner, it will become our granny square second corner. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Chain 3 and again a puff stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again we will do chain 2 Again we will do chain 2, 1 2 and 4 double crochet in the next chain 3 space. Here we will do same process all along the way till the end. After finishing that, we will come back. So here we have finished our second row. Now we will do chain 3, chain 2 and last 4 double crochet. Then chain 2 and slip stitch at the top of the puff stitch. Now we will do 3 chain and make our puff stitch. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now pull the yarn all through the loops and secure the loop. Now chain 3, 1 2 3 and make another puff stitch in the same chain 3 space. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now we will do chain 2 and we will do 2 double crochet in this chain 2 space like this, 1 and 2. Now we will do double crochet on this 4 double crochet top. Every double crochet at the top of the every double crochet we will do a double crochet like this, 1 2 3 and 4. Now we will do again 2 double crochet in the next chain 2 space. Now we will do chain 2 and again make the next corner stitch, that is the puff stitch, 2 puff stitch, 1 single puff stitch, then chain 3 and again a puff stitch. This will be our granny square corner, and we will do same way all along the row. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now again we will do 2 double crochet in the chain 2 space, then 4 double crochet at the top of the 4 double crochet, then again 2 double crochet in the next chain 2 space, and then again the corner stitch, and we will follow the same all along the way, same process all along the way. After finishing this row we will come back. So here we have finished our third row of the granny square, and you can see it is taking the shape of the square. Now we will make a slip knot at the top of the puff stitch and finish the third row of the granny square, and we will do the same process all in the row, and it will become a big. Every row you have to do a puff stitch, first at puff stitch, then 3 chain, then again a puff stitch at the corner, and do a 2 double crochet in the chain 2 space here, and double crochet at the top of this double crochet all along the row until the end of the row. Here in this 2 double crochet space, 2 chain space, we have to do 2 double crochet, and we have to finish all the row in the same way. Now we will do our fourth row. For doing our fourth row we will do chain 3 and puff stitch in the next chain 3 space, 2 3 4 5 6, chain 3, again a puff stitch, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, and we have finished our first corner of the granny square in the 4th row. Now chain 2 and make 2 double crochet in the next chain 2 space, and now we will do double crochet at the top of this double crochet all along the way. Now chain 2 and do a puff stitch in the next corner stitch. We will follow the same pattern all along the way until the end here. After finishing this row, we will come back. Here we have finished our row. Now we will make chain 2, 1 2, and slip stitch at the top of the puff stitch, then chain 1 and cut the yarn and secure the yarn. Here we have finished our puff stitch granny square. So please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and please share with me what did you have make with this granny square. Thank you for watching. Bye.